everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today I'm going to be bringing you a really fun full glam tutorial using the Huda Beauty Nude palette. I saw a tutorial with this palette on Instagram, and I'll have the person's name right here, but it was so freaking pretty, so I'm basically kind of recreating that and putting my own little spin on it. But yes, we're going to be doing a tutorial with this palette, like a different one. So if you would like to see the tutorial that we're going to be doing, then keep on watching. So I've got you zoomed in here, and we're just going to go ahead and jump right into it, you guys. I've already showed off the entire palette, so if you have not seen that, then you can go to the video. I'll have it right up here or here, wherever the little eye icon is. But here is what it looks like if you do not know. It is so beautiful. I've been loving this palette recently, and we're going to be using all of these shades here. Well, not all of the shades because that's a lot, but we're going to be using a few of these here, and we're also going to be incorporating a little bit of these glitters. So I'm very excited. First thing first, we are going to take a really large fluffy blending brush. This is a Morphe M518, and we're going to be going into the shade Secret. Right here is the one that is closest. It's like one over from the concealer shade, so this one right here, and we're going to put that all over the lid and into the crease. I've been like so obsessed with this palette recently. I mean, it's such a pretty palette, like it's so good, but I've been really obsessed with it recently, so I'm just like, I have to use it every day of my life. And it really is such a pretty palette. Like, I've been using this so often, just like in my, IRL, I've been using it so much. It's so pretty. So we got this laid down, super duper. So now we're gonna go into this shade right here called Raw. We're going to go into that shade, and we are going to deepen up the crease just a little bit. We're going to put it pretty much where we put the other shade, but we're going to bring it down closer on the lid than compared to like all the way up to the brow bone. Not the brow bone, but like in the crease. There we go. Pretty. I love these shades so much. I don't know what's wrong with me. This is my first like big Huda palette, so I'm just like... Next, we're going to go into the shade right up here called Love Bite. We're going to go into this one and really deepen up that outer corner and in the crease. And for that, I'm going to be using a Morphe M433 brush, and we're going to take that and just go right on the outer portion here, and then just blend it out and kind of into the crease just a hair. Just like that, you guys. I don't want to bring it all the way in here. I do that a lot, and I'm trying to get out of the habit of doing that. So I'm just really want to focus this on the outer portion of the lid, and then kind of barely bringing it in just a little, if you can see that line there. And that is where I'm gonna stop. So now we're going to actually cut out the crease, and God, I don't do this very often because I'm not good at it, but we are going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape today to do that. And then what I like to do is I'll just get a little on a small packing, not a packing brush, but like a really flat top brush. You can see that right there. And I'll just grab a little bit on this, and I'll just go right in the center of the lid, and then just open it up, just open the eye up so you can see where the crease is, and we're just going to fill that in. And we're not going to do the entire lid. We're going to do kind of not like a half cut crease, but like, I don't really know what you call it, but we're going to stop when we get to the really dark purple part. And then we're going to go into this shimmer shade right here that's called Charmed. We're going to go into that, and we're going to put that all over where we laid the concealer down. And I have found out that like a packing motion, like a pressing motion, does work best with these shadows. But to get it all the way up to the crease line, I am going to go in with this brush again and just kind of wipe off the excess concealer and go in and try to match where the crease line starts with the brush. So just like that. Is so pretty. So pretty. I love it. I love it so much. So next we're going to actually bring in some glitter here. We're going to go into the shade Infatuated right here. And we are going to press that into the lid, and I'll show you where. We're going to get a little bit on our finger, and we're going to put it right in between where the first like that reflective shade is and where that dark purple meets. So right in between. And you don't even need a glitter glue with this glitter because I had a little bit of like excess concealer left over. It's sticking perfectly right on that. Right here. And just go up and down, pressing, not hard, but just you know, packing it on. Just like that. And you can also blend it out just a little bit just to make sure there's no harsh line. And there is a little bit of fallout, not as bad as you would think there would be for something like this, but I'm just going to use a really big Morphe E3 brush and just wipe that fallout away. And that is it for the top part of the eye. I'm going to go in, and this was not in her tutorial, so I'm going to go in and actually do the bottom lash line, and I'm going to mix a Love Bite and Spanked together, and we're going to run that along the lower lash line. Just like that. So such a pretty, it's actually not that hard to do. I'm just not good at cutting out the crease. If you're really good at cutting out the crease, then this will just be like wham bam thank you ma'am right on your eye. So next what we're going to do is I'm going to apply some liner, and then I want to do my liner, lashes, and liner, mascara, then my lashes. Be right back. And for mascara, we're going to go in with the NARS Climax mascara. I've been loving this stuff recently. Alright, and then for lashes, I'm going to go in with the House of Lashes Today in the style Iconic. I'm going to pop these babies on and I'll be right back. That was very blurry. I'll be right back. And I am back, you guys. I went ahead and did my other eye off camera, as you can see here. I am digging these lashes. I know I've said them in videos before, but I really like them. I don't know what it is. But yes, you guys, I did go ahead and do the rest of this off camera, and I did go ahead and do my lipstick as well. For the lips today, we did use the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Gemini. Such a nice, pretty shade, and I am a Gemini, so I feel very connected to this lipstick. But I don't know, it's really pretty. I love the way that it goes with the eyes. But yes, this is going to be the look today, you guys. I'm obsessed with this. I think it's so pretty. And again, I will have the girls' Instagram that I basically took inspiration for this look. This is not an original makeup by me. I did not create this. But I thought it was so freaking pretty that I wanted to go ahead and just recreate it for you guys. But yes, this is what it is. But you guys, that is going to be the video for today. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye!